What about negative exponents? Well, when we have negative exponents, this is what happens. Let's say that we've got x, I don't like that color, x to the negative fourth. Well, that negative exponent is going to place that variable in the denominator. It's going to go from a numerator, x over 1, to 1 over x to the fourth. Now, what if it was the other way? What if we had 1 over y to the negative 2 power? Well, that's going to flip that from the denominator up to the numerator, and that would just equal y squared. And so there's the effect, if you will, of a negative exponent. Now, we're going to simplify some expressions, and we're going to assume that the denominator does not equal 0. And so let's go here. Now, we got v to the negative third power, wx squared. And then we have wy to the negative sixth power. Well, let's see. I can see that the w's are going to cancel. So I'll go ahead and take care of that. All right, so this v to the negative third is going to put that variable v down in the denominator. And y, which is in the denominator, to the negative sixth power, is going to throw it up to the numerator. And so when we simplify this, we're going to have x squared y to the sixth over v cubed. See that? How about that? Well, let's complicate it a little bit more. So let's see, we got 32 a to the negative 8th, b cubed, c to the negative 4th, over 4a cubed, b to the 5th, c to the negative 2 power. Well, let's deal with this 32 and this 4 first. So that's going to be 8. All right, then I've got a negative 8 divided by a cubed. So I'm subtracting these because I'm dividing. And so that's like negative 8 minus 3. Correct? All right. Well, that's going to be 11. But it's going to be negative 11. So that's going to put the a down in the denominator to raise to the 11th power. Then I've got b cubed over b to the 5th. Well, let's see. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And so that negative 2 is going to keep, we're going to have b squared down in the denominator. But here's an interesting one. C to the negative 4th over c to the negative 2. So that's negative 2, which becomes a plus 2. So I got negative 4 plus 2, still negative 2. C negative 2, which is going to put it in the denominator. So let's see what we got. We have 8 in the numerator. I got a over a to the 11th. B squared and C squared. Negative exponents, throwing them in the denominator. All right, what have I got here? I got 5j to the negative third power, k squared, m to the negative 6th, over 25, k to the negative 4, m to the negative 2 power. Well, let's see. We can simplify the 25 and the 5 as 1 over 5. All right, j to the negative third power. I don't have any j variables in the denominator. So this j to the negative third is just going to throw that down to the denominator. So I got j to the negative third power. Then I've got k squared minus 4. So I got 2 minus negative 4. 2 minus, let's see, 2 minus negative 4. This is for my k, but those are going to become positive. And so that's going to be k to the 6th. Okay, it takes care of the k variable. And then we got m to the negative 6 over m to the negative 2. So again, that's negative 6 minus negative 2. That's going to become positive, so that's going to become negative 4, which is still going to leave the m variable in the denominator raised to the 4th power. And I can then get rid of this 1. So, simplifying that expression is k to the 6th over 5j cubed m to the 4th. If you need to watch it again, please do. Just know that when you got negative exponents, if you got a negative in what would be the numerator, it's going to throw that term down into the denominator for rational exponents. And if you got a negative in the denominator, it actually flips it up to the numerator. Negative exponents. Lovely.